So about 6 years ago, I wrote two children's books, and one of them is called The Loudest Noise, I Have Nothing to Prove. And in that story, my favorite sentence is, sometimes you make the loudest noise when you are quiet. And I think there's no question that we understand that speaking up and speaking out is so critical and so important. However, there are times when it's not. For example, you feel like you need to go on social media and say, hey, just because I'm not saying anything right now doesn't mean I'm not doing anything. What was the point in saying that? There's clearly a sense of worthiness that you're missing out on. It's in those moments where our actions should speak for us. The illustration of our lives is much more persuasive than anything we could have said verbally. So just remember, sometimes we make the loudest noise when we are quiet.